It's got a pulse thing up.
Yeah, that's it. This is my ice bucket challenge, thanks to Charlie Barker and Mick Austin. All doing it for Macmillan Cancer Research. And because I got nominated twice, double amount of people I get to choose, so bring it on. Okay. So, here it goes. I nominate Mama Smurf, Patricia Dyer, Kevin Gilbert, Kaylee Longman, Sandra Walker, and Chelsea Leardard. She's got 24 hours. Go. Let's stop it.
Kath Dyer for nominating me. As we've not been able to get any ice from anywhere, I've got 2 buckets to do with ice cool packs in them. So I would like to nominate Barry Bazza Hicks. I would like to nominate Linda Coe Harris, and I'd also like to nominate Teresa Musselwhite. This is all in aid of Macmillan Cancer Research. Okay, here goes. Bring it on.
Don't do it.
Oh.
Do some faster, because that's not right.
There you go. You've got 24 hours to do it, guys. Bring it on.